Today I am sharing how I optimize my personal item bag so it holds only the essentials and allows me to move more smoothly throughout my trip. I start by realistically thinking about what I will actually need on my trip and ask myself a few questions. What will I want during the flight? And what items make travel more comfortable for me personally? Doing this quick audit helps me to focus on what I will actually use instead of just throwing extra random things into a bag. The next step is to choose the right personal item bag. So I look for a bag that will fit comfortably under my seat, has multiple compartments and enough space to fit everything that I need, and also something that I can repurpose on my trip. For this upcoming trip, I am using my personal item bag as an extension of my carry-on and not just filling it with a bunch of things that I will likely not use on the flight. This way I can reserve my carry-on bag for all of the clothes I'll be packing. This is a backpack I got from Target about a year ago. So starting with the larger compartment, I have a packing cube that has all of my pajamas and undergarments for the trip. I also have a travel size curling iron and blow dryer brush. So this is the blow dryer brush and the curling iron. I tested both of them out and they work just fine. I just got them off of Amazon. Last thing in the larger compartment of the backpack is this toiletry bag. This is normally a lot larger than I would use, but I like that it's soft so I can kind of squish it down if I need to. And it opens up nice and wide, which makes it easier to access things throughout the trip. So inside here, I have some Downy wrinkle releaser. This helps a little bit with wrinkles and it freshens your clothes if you do need to rewear anything in between washes. I love this. This is a facial toner by Beekman 1802. I have some leave-in conditioner. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Balm, some face powder, bronzer. I've decanted a couple of things in here. This is a tinted sunscreen and then this is foundation. I have a color corrector, this under eye balm, I really like this. A stick blush. I have a brow pencil and mascara and lip gloss, a hair oil. I have a couple of brushes and one of these. And then just a little travel toothbrush. I like to keep duplicates of everything in mini sizes that I can keep in this toiletry bag so it's always packed and ready to go for any trip. That way I don't have to worry about if I left something at home. And it's just one less thing to pack. So that is everything for the larger compartment. And then I have a couple of front compartments. There is this side one right here. I am just keeping some wipes in here so I can wipe down everything. And then this smaller pouch in front here has a small electronics bag. I keep headphones and cords in here. And then I have a couple of these international plugs. These are great because they also have the USB and the USB-C ports in them. I also packed medications in their original containers, which is something I like to do, especially when we're traveling internationally, just to prevent any delays. And then I have a couple of extras for my phone. I have this MagSafe Octobuddy that hooks right onto your phone, and then you can stick it onto any hard surface. I also got this wrist lanyard for my phone. We're gonna be traveling in some areas that are pretty well known for pickpocketing, so I'm just trying to prevent that as best I can. So that is everything for the backpack. I'll also be carrying a purse with me. This is from Quince about a year ago. So in here I have a couple pairs of sunglasses, wallet, and passport. I have a little light up travel mirror and a little container for ibuprofen. I have some Aquaphor, a little travel hairbrush, and some lip gloss. So that is everything I'm packing in my personal item. Just keep in mind when you're packing, this is the one bag that will absolutely be with you the whole trip. So make sure everything that is really important goes into that bag. What is the one item you always like to pack in your personal item bag? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one, and happy travels.